Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. Today we're going to be looking at 10 different contronyms. So what are contronyms, Euan?
A contronym is when one word can have multiple different meanings, often opposite or contradictory meanings in English, given the context. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and sign up for our free newsletter. We send you a PDF every 2 weeks with extra activities where you continue to learn English. The link is in the description.
The first one is bolt. So this can mean to secure something. So for example, he bolted the nail into the table. Or else, it can be to run away very fast, just like the movie Bolt, because the dog ran fast.
Exactly. Number 2 is to clip. So to clip can mean to attach something, or it can mean to detach something. For example, I clipped the paper together. Or he clipped the wires to defuse the bomb.
The third one is to consult. This can mean to obtain advice or offer it. For example, he's in a very bad situation, I must consult him. Or you must consult your lawyer before you go to court.
Okay, number 4 is custom. Now this can mean a common practice, or it can mean special treatment. For example, eating snails is a custom in Catalonia. Or, look at my custom shoes, they're made especially for me.
The fifth one is to dust. This can mean to add particles or take them away. For example, we must dust the cake with icing before we serve it to our customers. Or, this house is disgusting, we must dust it before the visitors come.
The next one is finished. Now this can mean when something is completed, or it can mean when something is destroyed. For example, I finished my exams last week, thank God. Or, my car is finished, it won't even start anymore.
The seventh one is to give out. So this can mean to provide something or to fail. For example, at Christmas I give out food to the homeless people. Or during the match, the footballer's legs gave out and he had to come off the pitch.
Okay, the next one is a very common word, and it's go. So go can mean to proceed or succeed, or it can mean to weaken and fail. For example, the project is going well, we're making lots of money. Or the roof on this house is going, I think it's going to collapse any day now.
The ninth one is mean, and this can be to be stingy with money or to be very good. For example, he's too mean to buy her a ring, or else he makes a mean burger.
Okay, and then the last one, guys, is trip. Okay, so a trip can mean to go on a journey, or it can mean to fall over. For example, I went on a trip last year to China. It was unbelievable.
Really?
No. Or I tripped in the street yesterday and everybody saw me. It was so embarrassing. Anyway guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, sign up for the newsletter. Do the activities. We know who does them. And if you're not doing them, you need to start doing them. That's you told. Anyway, we'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye.